Royal PVC trim and wainscoting solutions offer the look and feel of wood without the maintenance. Royal molding and trim comes in a wide variety of profiles, thicknesses, and lengths that make projects like adding wainscoting simple to elevate the look of any room. For this project, you'll need several Royal trim and molding products, including 1x6 PVC Trimboard, quarter rounds, and 5 3/4-inch wainscoting planks, along with Royal 1x4 and 1x2 Trimboard products. First, determine what height you'll make your wainscoting and chair rail design. Consider using a level to draw a line around your room at the height you prefer. Next, using Royal 1x6 boards, measure and cut baseboards to fit around the entire perimeter of your room. Use butt joints in the corners and secure with 8D finish nails about every 16 inches, and then countersink when done. To complete the baseboard step, measure and miter cut Royal quarter rounds, secure with 8D finish nails, and then countersink. Notice that Royal wainscoting planks use an interlocking tongue and groove design to help ensure a uniform and consistent bead pattern. Now, add Royal 5 3/4 wainscoting planks. Cut all planks to the correct height before adding to your walls. Start in a corner, place on top of the baseboard, and trim the edge if required. Apply wall paneling adhesive to the back of the planking and press firmly to ensure maximum adhesion. Now, you're ready for the chair rail buildup. First, cut and butt joint the 1x4 trim board to fit around the perimeter of your room. Place each piece along the top edge of the wainscoting planks with 8D finishing nails. Continue with assembly and countersinks. Now, caulk seams with latex caulk and fill your nail holes with DAP all-purpose painter's putty. Paint to match other millwork with 100% acrylic latex paint, as desired. And now, your wainscoting project is complete.